unbox the Holy Stone HS100G. Alright, now the difference between the 100 and the 100G, the 100 has a 720p. This is going to be upgraded to 1080p, and then on the transmission between the remote and the video monitor, it's running at 5G instead of the 2.7, I think. So it's supposed to be a lot clearer. The camera itself, if you were to upgrade, is $90. So this is like a $30 upgrade from the other model. So it's definitely worth it. Let's see what it comes with. So we have your instructions. Oh well, it's packed in here nice. Looks like you can keep this box. Keep it going. Here's the HS100G. It's a nice stout unit. There's the camera. It's supposed to be adjustable as well. We'll check that in a little bit. Put that right there. And then we have the controller here. Some of the features that this thing is going to have, it has follow me. It'll also have GPS, so you can set the landing. When it starts to lose battery, or if it gets out of range, or if you hit the home button, it'll come back automatically to the GPS setting that it took off from. So that's pretty cool. You don't have to worry about losing it. This is going to be the blade protectors. This looks like it might be a case for the battery. So, and then I think this is, we'll open this up in just a little bit. Looks like it comes with an extra set of landing gear. This battery is a pretty stout battery. It's going to last about 15 minutes. You can get these online. Holy Stone, $39.99, usually right in there, $39 to $45. So if you want to get an extra one, again at 15 minutes a pop, you know, you can get a couple more, and that'd be awesome. You have the tools, and then we have the charging cable. So I'm assuming this right here is going to be the blades. Right here. Oh, this is just the case. There we go. Upside down here. Alright, here we go with the props. So, it looks like if you got one set here, now you got to keep in mind that these are directional blades, so this is one set of blades and this is another set of blades. This is set A and set B, and they have to be put on in the right position so everything flies and works properly. And then you got this extra set. So that's everything there. We're going to go ahead and put everything together, and we'll be back with a test run.